Hello children, in continuation with our exercise 7.1, a question number 7th is Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. Total how many dresses she has to dye? 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of the dresses she has finished? We have to find the fraction of the dresses she has finished. So total number of dresses, total dresses are how many? They are 30, and so far she has finished 20 dresses. She finished dyeing dresses. How many dresses? 20. So fraction of dresses she finished. So it will be 20 she has finished, and how many are total? 30. 30 are the total number of the dresses. So 0 to 0 cancel. So what we are left with? 2 by 3. Similarly, we will do the next question. It is question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? First of all, what the question is saying, that we have to write all the natural numbers from 2 to 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 12 I have written, and what fraction of them are prime. So we have to first find out the prime numbers. So first prime number, it is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, and then 11. So first of all, we have to write total numbers. Total numbers. How many are the total numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total numbers are 11. Out of them, the prime numbers. How many are the prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fraction of prime numbers, it is 5 by 11. 5 are the prime numbers, and how many are the total numbers? They are 11. Now next, our question number 9, it is write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? First of all, we have written all the natural numbers from 102 to 112. Now we have to find how many of them are prime. So first of all, let's count the total number. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many are the total numbers? They are 12. And prime numbers. How many are prime numbers? First prime number is 103, then 107, then 109, and the last prime number, it is 113. So how many prime numbers it is having? 4. So what will be the fraction of prime numbers? It will be 4. 4 are the prime numbers, and how many are the total numbers? They are 12. Question number 10th, it is very easy. What fraction of these circles have x in them? So we have to find how many circles have x. Total how many circles are there? Count how many circles are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many circles are there? They are 8. And how many are having x in them? How many? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So what will be the fraction? It will be 4 by 8, as 4 are having the cross in them and total are 8. Now question number 11, it is Christine received a CD player from her birthday. She bought 3 CDs. How many CDs she has bought? 3 CDs. And how many did she receive as the gift? 5 others as gift. Now what fraction of her total CDs did she buy? What we have to find here? First thing, what we have to find, how many fraction or what fraction did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gift. So here in this question we have to find two things. First, the fraction which she has bought, and second, how many she received as the gift. So how many did she bought? The number of the CDs bought, these are 3, and received as gift, these are 5. So total it becomes 3 plus 5, 8 CDs. So fraction of the CDs bought, it will be 3 by 8, as 3 are the CDs bought and 8 are the total number of the CDs. Similarly, the fraction of the CDs received as gift, it is 5 by 8. 5, it is the number of the CDs received, and 8, it is the total. So 8, it is the total, and 5, it is the number of the CDs received. Similarly, in the first part it was 3 by 8. 8 are the total CDs and 3 were the CDs bought. So CDs bought. Thank you.